An ending is the beginning of something new. This is not very easy to say when you come home after a 5-month journey around the world. A journey on which we felt the purest joy in our lives. A journey on which we learned a lot of new things in our passion, and a journey that pushed us to our limits. Where we met a lot of new people, learned new cultures, and got pushed close to locals. A trip on which we were almost always blessed with the best weather conditions. We were able to capture the most beautiful landscapes and give free rein to our creativity. In this time, we experienced a lot of new things, which will be forever in our mind. Last but not least, this journey brought us even closer together, as we have never thought that this can still happen. No one will know what the future holds for us, but what we know is that we had the most amazing 5 months in our lives.